In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subfolders in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox ever feels crowded or you want a clearer way to group related emails, subfolders are a simple, built-in solution that help you stay organized without changing how you read or send messages. We'll walk through the exact steps, and I'll also share a few notes to help you make the most of this feature. First, look to the left side of your Outlook window for the folder pane. This is where your email accounts and folders like Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts are listed. Choose the folder that will be the parent of your new subfolder. For example, if you want a project-specific section under your Inbox, click on Inbox to make sure you're focusing on the right place. This choice matters because your new folder will live directly under whatever you pick here. Next, right-click that folder. A context menu will appear with several options. You're looking for the one labeled New Folder. Depending on your version, the wording might be slightly different, but it will clearly indicate creating a new folder. Go ahead and select New Folder to start the setup. You'll now be prompted to type the name of your subfolder. Pick a name that's clear and easy to recognize at a glance, something like Invoices 2026, Team Updates, or the name of a client or project. Consistent naming helps you find what you need quickly later on, especially if you plan to create more than one subfolder over time. Keep it short, descriptive, and free of symbols that might be confusing. Once you've typed the name, press Enter. That confirms and creates the folder instantly. You don't need to